everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time to continue with my decluttering slash inventory. It's more inventory than declutter. I haven't added any new things that I really don't want to keep. So if I would declutter anything, it's probably because it's old or I don't care for it anymore. So today we're going to do concealers, eyeshadow primers, and my brow products. So for concealers, I started 2020 with 8, and I have, it looks like 9. So let's go through them. I've got my 2 Tarte Shape Tapes. I have it in light, medium, and in medium. I have this CoverGirl True Blend in Classic Ivory. I love this one just as much as my Tarte Shape Tape, so I'm keeping those. The Cover FX Power Play. I love this concealer. I have it in medium 1. I have, this is, it's got hair on it. Let's see. This is Maybelline? Or L'Oreal? Who makes this? Maybelline. Oh, gosh. The Instant Age Rewind Eraser. You know, this is just not my favorite. This is just not something I am interested in. I have used half of it. I think I'm going to go ahead and declutter this. If you hear the whining, the dog is right beside me, and I'm not paying him any attention, and it's making him upset. Okay, I have the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in light 12. I'm going to keep this, but I won't repurchase it. Right now, these 4 I really like, and I would definitely repurchase them. This one I won't repurchase, but it's okay. I got the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer in medium sand. It's okay. I wouldn't repurchase that, but I'll hang on to it. Quit crying, baby. I have the e.l.f. HD Lifting Concealer in light. He's mad at me. Can you hear him? I'm going to hang on to that one for a while. And then I have a Tracique in Bisque. I'm gonna hang on to that. So I decluttered 1. I still have 8. So 8 concealers and 1 decluttered. All right. Moving on to eyeshadow primers. I don't have many. I have the Ulta Beauty Glitter Primer, and I'm actually going to declutter this because it's a little old and it's not that great anymore. And I barely use it. I don't use loose glitter, and even though I am a glitter girl, I don't. Yeah, I'm going to declutter it. It's on its way out anyway. I have the Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer, the Photo Focus. This is actually a really good eyeshadow primer. I want to use this up. I would repurchase that. I have the Essence I Heart Stage eyeshadow base. This is really nice. I would repurchase this. I was trying to see if it had a name, color name. But those I love. These 2 are my favorite. They're MAC paint pots. I have Painterly and I have Soft Ochre, and I'm keeping those. So I started the year off with 7. I'm decluttering 1. I'm decluttering 1, and I have 4 left. So not bad at all. 4 primers, eyeshadow primers left. So I'm happy with that number. Okay, and last today we're going to do brows. I have a backup of the IT brow powder, and then I have an IT brow powder. I'm going to hang on to those. This is what I've been using here recently, this Billion Dollar Brows, the Universal Brow Pencil. It's a little dark for me, but now that I've started wearing wigs and different colors of wigs, I think that's going to be just fine, so I'm going to keep that. I have this Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. Let me look at this. I don't really use this. I'm going to declutter that. Quit crying. You are crying. I have the Brow Gal Tinted Brow Gel. This one has not been open. It's brown. I'm going to hang on to that. I have my Gimme Brow, and I think my number is 2. I use number 2. I'm going to hang on to this. Yep, still good. Keep that. What is this? AOA Studio Sculpting Brow Pencil. Let's look at this. No, I'm gonna declutter that. It's hard. Why are you crying? I have another brow powder. I have, what is this? Mellow Brow Definer. Mellow. That one works okay. That's this one. I'm going to hang on to that for a little while. This AOA Go Brow, I'm going to declutter that. This Ulta Beauty Brow Shaping Gel, I'm going to declutter that. I just got this in my Ipsy. It's the Precisely My Brow Pencil in number 3. I haven't even used that yet. And then I have this Highbrow. I'm going to keep this. This is like the highlighter. And I'm going to hang on to that. So for brow products, I started the year last year with 15. And I just decluttered 4, and I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 left. So I had 13 today, decluttering 4 of them. So I have 9 left. So last year, beginning of the year, was again how many? 15. So I think I'm doing pretty good. So that's it for today's declutter. Guys, let me know how you're doing with your declutters. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. And guys, I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.